Can't wait!
Ladies and gentlemen, now Peter will disappear. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Bravo, Sammy! Now bring Peter back.
Actually, I learned only the first part of the trick. I don't know how to bring Peter back.
You mean Peter disappeared for good?
Well, he's, somewhere in our house. We just need to lure him out.
And what will serve as bait? Candies?
Why not? For the record, I'd be back right away.
Huh. You know, this option might really work, but we'll upgrade it.
Like how?
We'll need candies, water, craft paper, glue, and scissors. You in?
Sure. A new craft? When have I ever said no to that? Let's go.
Hi, guys. Today we'll make a cool piñata shaped like a huge spider.
Did you decide to replace Peter with a big toy spider?
No, of course not. Peter will see his new friend from anywhere in the house and come to meet him. That's when we catch him.
That's a great idea. Where do we start?
First, we'll need to inflate these balloons like this. Inhale and...
Okay, I got it. Inhale and... Okay, I'll handle it anyway.
Where did he go? Let's get to the spider's body. We'll make it with paper mache. Did you know that the first paper mache was used to make helmets and masks in ancient China? Even though it was used for serious purposes back then, today we'll use it for fun.
Is it raining papers? I wasn't prepared for such weather.
Oh, you did manage to inflate it. Good job, Sammy.
It's important to know the right people. Our neighbor Roger's always ready to help.
We'll apply the first layer of paper using some water so we can easily take the balloon out afterwards. We lay our paper pieces with overlaps. This way, it'll be sturdier. There. Huh, where did he go?
This is paradise. Whoa!
Sammy, you'd better help me with the craft.
I bet the process goes faster with me.
I never doubted you, Sammy. Now we need glue to make the second layer of our piñata. First, apply some glue right here. Watch closely. There you go. And on top, we place a piece of paper. And straighten it out with our hands like this.
So, can I be a base for paper mache too?
Sammy, I'm sure you'll make a great base for paper mache, but our main task for today is to find Peter. I already miss him so much.
Yep, he's out there somewhere all alone, probably scared being out of his house.
Great! Our base has already set and we can take care of the next layer.
Another layer? How many do we need?
There will be 4 layers in our piñata. This will make it sturdier and able to hold 8 spider legs. It will take some time, but the result will be awesome.
Oh, shoo! I guess I became part of the paper mache, but I don't look like chewed paper.
Guys, in French, paper mache means chewed paper. Of course, you don't look like paper, Sammy, especially chewed ones.
Yep, I look much prettier and fresher.
Phew. This is not an easy task. Let's speed it up a little. And here we go! Awesome! Now we'll let it dry. The body is ready. Now we need to make the head.
You don't have to do anything, Susan, because I took care of it already.
Wow! Sammy, great job! It's exactly what we need! Now let's connect them. And for that, we need...
Soon it will come to life! We'll activate it with the electric charge!
No electricity here. You've confused the crafts, Sammy. We'll connect them using our good old paper.
And I already got into character.
Oh, don't be sad. Your passion for transformations will come in handy in our next video.
Guys, subscribe to our channel. I like trying new looks. You've never seen a slime like me.
Just a few more touches. And done. I like it. Now we'll let our piñata dry.
What do we do in the meantime? I'll get bored.
You won't have time for this, Sammy. Let's make legs for our spider.
I wonder how long his legs will be.
We'll find out now.
That's all? It's a little taller than 1.5 slimes.
Huh, you really think so, Sammy?
Okay, 2 slimes. Still not that scary. Oh.
You should take a closer look at things around.
So I guess they're already huge enough.
And what do you say now, Sam?
Holy cannoli, how many slimes are here? Oh.
Don't ask. I tried to count, but failed.
Susie, I have a couple of questions regarding the construction of these legs.
Well, to make them sturdier, we'll use paper maché again.
How much more paper do we need for this crap? I'm tired, Sue.
Wait, Sammy. You want to find Peter, don't you?
Sure, Sue. Why do you even ask?
Then help me make the other legs.
Easy peasy. How many are left?
7 more.
7? I didn't sign up for this.
We finally finished with the legs.
And our paper mache is completely set. Hail the great tippy-dava!
That means we can make the hole for Candies. Oh yes, the hole shouldn't be too big or too small. Guys, remember that you shouldn't play with sharp tools. Ask an adult to help you.
Sue, wait a sec. I need to fetch the candies. Aha! Be careful with candies, you! Here, please! Okay, alright, okay, now turn the wheel. Stop! Done. Great job, guys. I'll call you again sometime.
Sammy, where did you get all these candies?
I never reveal my candy suppliers, Sue.
Well, do your suppliers happen to know where Peter is?
I'll ask them, but I guess they only deal with candies. Psst. One question. Have you seen Peter?
Is he black?
Yes.
With 8 legs?
Yes.
Hairy?
Yes.
Haven't seen him, but I have something interesting. Come with me.
Okay.
While Sam's away, we'll attach the legs. We'll use glue for this. No wonder, right? That's always the best way. I feel like I'm taking part in a spaceship docking.
Sue, I took a short break and had some rest for you too, just in case.
Oh, well, thanks for the support, Sammy. It's great that at least one of us can relax. And like this. Hop. Let's wait a few seconds.
It took you so long to make just 2 legs?
He's right, guys. Let's speed it up. And here is our giant.
Peter!
So, any luck finding Peter, Sam?
Sue, I guess our plan didn't work. Peter doesn't want to show up.
Oh, well, that's because our spider's not ready yet. We'll make him look more realistic.
Huh. Sue, I think we forgot to make a couple of petty pops on his head.
Huh, I guess you're right. Well, Sammy, can you do that?
Easy. Cracks, pecks, petty pops, smacks!
Now it looks much better, right? What else do we need?
Spiders have hairy bodies, Susan. How do we make it?
Oh, we'll need crepe paper for this. Yup. Lots of it.
I thought that we'd find Peter's shed skin.
Ooh, that's too small for our spider anyway, so we'll make another one.
Guys, be careful with scissors, though Sue is a master already.
These cuts will create the hairy effect. Repeat these actions with all of the paper pieces. And here's the final result! Awesome!
Done! What's next?
Well, now Sammy will apply some glue. Right here. Like this. A little more. And we'll glue the paper here. It's quite easy. See?
Oh, Susie, our spider's still not scary. In a perfect world, it should be really fearsome.
So you're not afraid of it right now, are you?
Of course not. I can see that it's made of cardboard.
Sammy, did you know that the bright skin means that the spider is super dangerous? Have you ever thought about that?
Are you trying to say that I'm dangerous?
Sammy? Sammy!
What?
Spider's ready!
Oh, cool.
And, what's this?
Not what you think. Sue, what did you... wow, it's so huge, Sue! Good macaroons, Peter will defo like it.
I agree with you, but let's start looking for our missing friend. So, Sammy, shall we try one more time with the help of our talisman now?
I came up with something. 1, 2, 3. Peter is now here. Okay, next time.
Oh, Sammy! Where's Peter?
I can't, Sue. I can't think on an empty stomach. Bam!
So, Sammy, it's time to break our pinata.
Now we're talking. Sue, I'm gonna go get Peter.
What's your plan, Sammy?
No time to explain, Susie. Open the door.
All right.
I'm going on a rescue mission, Susie. Cover me while I'm not hungry.
Whoa! Guys, support Sam with a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I'm going to think of how to save them both. Bye-bye!